Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thanks for being here and I hope you'll stick around. If you've been here before, nice to see you again. Today I'm going to show you a Tiny unboxing, Tiny being the gel brand that I'm unboxing. This is a really cute collection. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I'll put it on the screen here. But it is kind of like a milky, super pastel, super desaturated kind of pastel polish with little neon matte confettis. So yeah, it's really cute. This is, I have one friend who's I guess my quote unquote client. But yeah, she sometimes likes for me to put gel on her nails, and sometimes she sees things that strike her fancy. This was one of those situations. So she picked this up and I'm going ahead and giving it a swatch now. I like to use the little swatch cards that come with a lot of packaging, especially Korean gels, but also with some other packaging as well. I don't really have clients, but it's fun to just see visually on my desk my options as I'm doing nails. So yeah, I'm going ahead and attaching these to the little card that's provided in the collection using double-sided tape. And you'll see that there were some characters on the left, and on the bottom row I used Google Translate to figure out what that said, and I believe the bottom row is supposed to be matte polishes. I suppose it doesn't really matter, but and then the top is supposed to be with a shiny top coat. So that's what I did. I think these really lend themselves to matte. What do you think? I feel like you can just get a better sense of the color. So I'm going to be doing my nails. Fun fact, this was one half of my birthday nails. It was my birthday last week. And yeah, I went with I thought this would be fun because it's very colorful and sparkly. Not exactly sparkly, because they're matte glitters. But, it kind of, my friend and I decided that this polish reminds us a little bit of cupcakes. So yeah, it was fun for a birthday set. And I'm doing one of each color on each nail. Here's a little tip. Because for whatever reason, the purple polish in this collection, it's a little bit less dense with glitters. So I went ahead and used a sponge to pick up some of the polish. You'll see it doesn't pick up the glitter. It just sort of condenses and smashes the glitter down. I'm sure a lot of you know this trick, but if you don't, it can be really handy if you want more pop out of a glitter. Here's the second trick I wanted to teach you. I saw this somewhere, but it's to use a lint roller on your sponge before going in with an ombre. I wish I could remember who I saw do this because to me it's just genius. Even just being around in the environment, I've noticed that sponges can pick up little dusties, as can literally everything else that is anywhere close to where you do your nails. We all know the bane of little dust particles or tiny, tiny hairs, that sort of thing. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. I went ahead and used that, and I feel like what else could we be using lint rollers on? That lint roller is now sitting at my nail desk. So anyway, but yeah, you'll see that I'm ombreing colors here. I'm using the Jellyfit collection that I feel like I've used in the last many videos. I've been really loving it. It's perfect for summer. And I'm just going ahead and ombreing the polish. I'm going to do this in 2 coats, so I'm not too worried about getting it perfect in the first one. And I did go ahead and leave this first coat in real time, just so that you could see kind of how long it takes me. I don't think it takes that long. I find ombreing with a sponge to be pretty speedy, depending on the product that you have. I do actually prefer ombreing with a more opaque polish. I think at some points I thought it would be easier to ombre with like more of a syrup or a slightly less opaque polish, but in fact I think it actually makes more sense to use polishes that are on the more opaque side. And I did just want to say, I'm doing this with my non-dominant hand. It's a little bit messier maybe than I would like, but if you are newer to ombreing or nail art in general, definitely consider using some type of protector on your skin if you feel like you're getting a lot of polish on your skin. You know, ombres and airbrush designs can definitely mean that you're allowing the polish to contact your skin more often. And as we all know at this point, or hopefully we all know, if you don't, I'll link below some information about nail allergies, but definitely a lot of contact with skin, a lot of product contact with skin, both like prolonged, like uncured polish, and also just constantly touching uncured gel can really contribute to getting nail allergies. So something to consider. I didn't do that. Perhaps I should have. I definitely got some along the edges of my, like basically around my cuticle area and sidewalls. But anyway, yeah. Also, I just wanted to say thank you for being here. I feel like it's been a while since I've posted, and that's kind of because my personal life has just been sort of blah. And at points kind of just busy, but hopefully I will be making more videos soon. Anyway, back to the nails. So I am going ahead and making this like little double French smile line design. So I'm just lining the edges of the nail with this white gel. This is an art gel, like a painting gel from Young Nails. It's in the color Fizz. And I'm taking it really slow. You can see that I just left that first part in real time. So you can see, especially using my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, to paint on my right hand, it's really important to just keep it as slow as possible. You'll also see that I was actually moving my right hand and keeping my left hand steady, which can be a really great trick if you're working with your non-dominant hand, because you have more control of your, dominant hand. You can actually use that to move. Anyway, this is where I'm going to leave you. I didn't record anything past this point, but the next thing you'll see is the reveal. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found some use in it, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.